no pond so blue where the silver fishes flew. There's a flower fair and bright, smiling in the morning light. Water lilies, 1, 2, 3, floating happy, wild and free, open wide to greet the day. Then at night they hide away. Round green pads like tiny boats hold the dewdrops as they float, pink and white and sometimes gold, prettiest flowers you'll ever behold. Water lilies, 1, 2, 3, dancing on the wavy sea. Sunshine makes their petals grow, moonlight whispers soft and low. Frogs hop by and dragonflies buzz beneath the summer skies. Ripples sparkle, splash and play in the pond the whole long day. Minor water lilies, bright and sweet, nature's magic can't be beat.